Okay, so in the graph of a function, you could have what are called local minimums, local minima, or a local minimum, and a local maximum. You can have more than one. So the plural is maxima. Oh, I forgot to put relative maxima and minima. Sorry about that. Okay, so that means there's more than one. Let's say you have a graph like this. A local maximum is where it's kind of in the area, it's peeking out. It's like the top of the hill. So this would be a local or relative maximum. It's where it's changing from increasing to decreasing. So change from increase to decrease. Okay? That's called a local maximum or a relative maximum. Okay? They use the word relative more, so I should say relative maximum. Now we also have one here, because in the area, that's a relative maximum. It's kind of like the highest point within the area, okay, locally. All right. We also have two relative or local minima. So there's one down here. This is a relative minima and minimum. And this is a relative minimum. So you have one relative minimum, two relative minima. Okay. We'll just say maximum and minimum. It's where you're changing from decreasing to increasing. So it's kind of like the valley, you know, the bottom of the valley there. You're switching from decreasing to increasing. And those would be called relative minimum. So you can see I have two relative maxima and two relative minima in this example. Sometimes you only have one. Sometimes you might not have any. Okay. So here's an example picture. So right here, about there, I have a relative maximum, and right here I have a relative minimum. Okay? So that it's not super difficult to see, but sometimes they want to know, hey, what are the relative maxima or minima? And you can have a few of them, you might not have any.